Is it a pyramid? Welcome to day 93 in Europe again. There's a lot of things in Europe that look similar to each other. Like this building looks like that building. This windmill in Slovenia looks like that windmill in the Netherlands. You wouldn't know which country this building is from. But there's a few buildings that stand out in Europe. Like the Arc of Triumph, Big Ben Tower, the Eiffel Tower, this thing. Today I want to talk about something that is exceptionally different. The Atomio. Which was built in 1958 for the World Fair, but it's still here because it's so damn cool. And it's insane. Nobody knows what this is. Is this a tower? Is this a statue? Is it a pyramid? Nobody knows, but it looks so damn cool. And that's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.